Oh la la, good to see you again, my friends. And here's what's currently happening with the Pixel Watch, and I quote, "From what I understand, Google will officially be announcing the Pixel 6a Plus, teasing the Pixel Watch. Pixel 6a launch in most markets pushed to July. Pixel Watch will be formally announced and launched with Pixel 7 and 7 Pro in October. I repeat, in October this year." This is yesterday's tweet by John Prosser in response to the Google I/O event coming this year in May. Of course, you could argue, well, this is all speculation, but if you take this tweet out of isolation and look around what else is happening with Wear OS, or maybe shall I say what's not happening with Wear OS, we may have a bigger challenge than we thought. And here's the thing, once you start opening Pandora's box, there is so much more to uncover. Check this out. This is an article by 9to5 Google in response to the upcoming Fitbit Versa 4 and Sense 2. And just a reminder, Fitbit has been acquired by Google, and the article has been published also yesterday, which is really interesting. Considering Wear OS has its own methods of communicating between your Android phone and smartwatch, it's unlikely that a Wear OS powered Fitbit would need this bridge at all. The headline for this paragraph is called "Likely Not Wear OS." Instead, it's more likely that these upcoming Fitbit devices will have similar software to their predecessors, with Fitbit OS on the Versa 4 and Sense 2 and a simpler experience on the Lux 2. Okay, so what this means is Google is not only delaying their very own Pixel Watch again, but it is also not releasing Wear OS for their very own upcoming Fitbit devices. Well, if you ask me, I don't really feel a vote of confidence with this statement. Do you? It also makes me think that Samsung has taken the biggest leap here with the Galaxy Watch 4 and Wear OS despite its shortcomings. Look, if the Pixel Watch comes out in October, we already have the Galaxy Watch 5. You will also see most Wear OS watches like the TicWatch or Fossil or whatever it is having Wear OS free by October, which really leaves the Pixel Watch in a very tough place. And just to be clear here, I want the Pixel Watch to come out sooner rather than later. I want the Pixel Watch to succeed because competition is good for us as a consumer. But right now, it is looking so la. One thing we need to separate is the Google Assistant and the Pixel Watch. It is a separate application development which will happen regardless of the Pixel Watch release. Don't you worry about the Google Assistant not arriving in time for your Galaxy Watch 4. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know your thoughts. Thank you for watching as always. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It's appreciated. It really is. Peace out.